Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of swimming. Get ready to splash into a pool of incredible benefits and some mind-blowing fun fact that will make you see swimming in a whole new light. Did you know there is enough water in Olympic-sized pools to take more than 9,400 baths? Stick around till the end, because the other fun facts are just as unbelievable. Let's kick things off with the amazing benefits of swimming that go beyond just making a splash. Burn excess fat with ease. When it comes to torching calories, swimming takes the golden medal. Whether you're doing a leisurely backstroke or powering through laps with freestyle, you're guaranteed to burn those stubborn calories. In fact, a hard fast-paced swim can incinerate between 590 to 931 calories per hour, while a more relaxed swim can still melt away 413 to 651 calories. Enhanced aesthetics. Looking to sculpt that perfect V-shaped physique? Look no further than the pool. Swimming targets key muscle groups like the back and shoulders, giving you that coveted V-shaped torso, better shoulders and spine health. Swimming isn't just a workout, it's a therapy session for your joints. From your shoulders to your spine, every stroke strengthens and supports these vital areas, reducing the risk of injury and promoting overall joint health. Stronger heart and lungs. Your heart and lungs are in for a treat with regular swimming sessions. By getting your heart pumping and your lungs working over time, swimming boosts cardiovascular health like no other exercise. Horse-like endurance. Ever wonder why swimmers seem to have endless energy? It's because swimming builds incredible endurance that translates to other sports and activities. Improved mental state. Swimming isn't just good for the body, it's a tonic for the mind. The endorphins released during swimming sessions elevate your mood, leaving you feeling happier and more relaxed. Plus, a good swim is the perfect remedy for a restful night's sleep, helping you banish stress and sharpen your focus for the day ahead. Now, brace yourselves for some swimming trivia that will make your jaw drop. Fun fact number 1. Did you know that there is enough water in Olympic-sized pools to take 9,400 baths? That's right, Olympic pools hold about 660,000 gallons of water, whereas bathtubs can only hold 70 gallons. With that, you can enjoy roughly 9,400 baths. Fun fact number 2. The first swimming goggles were actually made from tortoise shells. Fun fact number 3. Swimming races have been making waves since 36 BC, with the first recorded competition taking place in Japan. Fun fact number 4. Free divers are the real breath-holding champs, with some capable of holding their breath for more than 10 minutes. Fun fact number 5. The iconic bikini made its debut in Paris in 1946, revolutionizing beach fashion forever. Fun fact number 6. Surprisingly, more than half of Americans can't swim. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below your experience with swimming. And until the next one.